Amal's sister. Happy birthday, Amal. Amal has been taking care of my hair for the past maybe 4 years.
Okay.
Because I'm just really bad at it, so I just let her do her thing. And to be honest, my hair has grown significantly. I used to have very scanty hair, but right now my hair volume is actually very, very good. I can't say quite because it's more than that.
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find a light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear.
Wait, go back.
Oh my God, yeah.
'Cause I know that you do just what
1, 2, 3, stop. Next one. Next.
Baby, you can count on me now. When you're falling down, I will find a light in your soul, I'll be there.
Okay, I am Latifa Opola. I've been friends with Amal since I think secondary school. We're in the same class.
My name is Amuta.
Alright.
Yeah, I'm here to interact and learn.
So where are you from, please?
Cookie.
Alright. Now I know where the name is coming from. So how have you been keeping your hair for long?
Moisturize. I like to put a lot of water in my hair, so when I'm not washing it, I'm spraying water in the spray bottle.
Wow.
I'm here to learn about how to take care of my natural hair. And I'm here to learn how to improve my hair.
So what have you been doing? How have you been doing it?
Like, I've been making use of shea butter and coconut oil.
One word that is synonymous with natural hair is moisture. Keeping your hair moisturized will keep it healthier. Some people always feel, it's stressful. Water alone is moisture. But then when you put the water, you can lose it. So just make sure you seal it in so that it stays longer. You can use sealants like creams, oils, butters.
I think Khadija. She said moisturizing is when you use a product that has water as the first ingredient, right? So I think that should be moisturizing, right? When you put that product on your hair, and then hydration is just like pouring water on your hair.
Water-based product.
Yeah, for moisturizing, and then hydration is just like pouring water on your hair.
Yeah. That is very correct. So yeah, during the dry season, you have to hydrate and you have to moisturize. Those are like key things. I like that some people are taking down notes. It's good. So yeah, that's about it. I'm going to call on my lovely guest speaker, Khadija Garba. She's the owner of the company Ziza representing HAIRCARE and Beard Grooming Company, and she will let you guys know more about hair myths that you shouldn't believe.
Hello everybody, as she mentioned earlier, my name is Khadija Garba. I am a chemist by profession, that's what I studied in school. So let's go into some of the myths. I had them down. Yes, about the hair growing, natural hair doesn't grow. It shrinks, our hair shrinks. I'm sure a lot of you can have experienced shrinkage. Once water enters your hair, that's it shrinks down. And it suddenly feels like your hair is not growing, it doesn't look long, and you get discouraged. No, our hair is growing. It's just not growing as fast. You're not seeing the growth because of how it curls up and it coils up, but our hair is growing. And all you have to do is take care of it, like Amal said. And something else that people say, that black hair is stronger than other hair types. This is not true. It's actually weaker. this is because our hair has corners. Because of the way it curls, it has corners here and there, and each corner is a potential point for it to break off. With straight hair, there's something called sebum. Our skin produces sebum on our body, on our hair, and that sebum is what runs through our hair and moisturizes it and seals in whatever moisture we get, and it gives it shine. Now, because it has to travel through those kinks and coils, sometimes it's not traveling properly. And at each point that there's no oil, there's no lubrication, is the point that it could potentially break. So our hair is weaker because it's not getting enough sebum. But what can we do? We can learn the proper ways of taking care of our hair. But once you have a routine, you moisturize your hair, you wash your hair at least every 2 weeks, you deep condition your hair, and try to moisturize and seal every day, or at least twice a day in HARMATTAN. 3-4 times a week is good. Sorry? Not necessarily, it depends on your routine. Are there any busy people here? Let's talk about HARMATTAN care. Yeah. We came to learn about how to care for our hair in the HARMATTAN, right? Now there are 2 things that you can introduce to your routine. It's called the greenhouse method. What you do is, after you moisturize your hair, whether you're using leave-in, you're using the spray, you moisturize your hair and you seal it in with a little oil or butter. You take a plastic cap and then...
Is it just oil you put, or like do you put water in it?
No, you put a moisturizer first, then water.
Okay.
Or anything with water as its first ingredient. You apply that to your hair first, and then the oil or whatever butter you're using on top of it. Then you cover the hair.
Okay.
And then wrap it up with your head tie, your head scarf, whatever you use to sleep. Just wrap it up so it's nice and covered. What that does is heats it up. Your body heat now travels up to that part of your hair, and it keeps it moist. It keeps it in this moist, warm, humid environment.
I actually did that last night just so that you guys can relate to it. I did the whole moisture thing because I was like, of course, in preparation for today I might not have time. I did it. I used a plastic cap and then I put a scarf. By the time I woke up this morning, you see like steam. It's actually amazing, and then your hair feels so soft and really hydrated. It's an amazing method, especially for busy people.
So yeah, it's important to try the greenhouse method.
I've been hearing of hair. One of those has beards. Yes, I believe beard is part of the hair in the body. Should we also tie leather on our beards? Yes.
The important thing is you moisturize your beard as well and apply a little oil in the morning or before you go to bed, and you're fine. You're good to go. One thing with is, yes, your DNA will decide your hair type. It will decide if you have fine hair, coarse hair. It will decide if you have curly hair or straight hair. It will also decide how fast your hair grows.
I heard it grows the hair, is it true? With a very horrible smell.
It's not growing the hair, it's stopping the hair from breaking. So it shows you you're retaining the hair. So when your hair is not breaking, it's thicker, it's longer. That's what it strengthens your hair. You know these Sudanese and Chadian women, what they do with the shebe is they mix the shebe with the SHANU and it makes their hair lustrous. You know, that's why you see even the ones that are on the street and their diet isn't that great, but their hair is really long and lustrous. It's because of that. Yes. So it just makes the hair really shiny, but it's not very...
You have to hide it.
Long question.
Okay.
So I was wondering about rice water. Like I see it everywhere. Everybody is and onions, even garlic. There's nothing. In fact, you cook on your head. Like, but rice water is what I want to know about.
Are you consistent with these treatments?
I want to be like, if something really works, like if you tell me, like the only thing I put in my hair really is honey. So like, if you tell me, okay, rice water really works, I will try it. I actually did it, but it smells really bad though.
It's fermented, right?
Yeah.
One thing with these natural remedies is consistency. If you want to try the rice water, you have to try it for at least 2 to 3 months consistently, you will see a difference. Your hair will grow longer and it will be a healthy alternative. Now, if you do it once or twice and you don't do it again, you won't see anything because it's natural, it's not magic. For people that have dry hair and they want to add some moisture, you can co-wash within the week and then properly wash your hair at the weekend. That is how a co-wash is used. But Nigerians, they will use it today and they will not wash the hair for a whole month. So with products and meds and things like that, consistency is key. If you can do the rice water for 3 months, you will see a difference and your hair will grow longer.
But to add to the co-wash thing, you know how we said during this HARMATTAN, try to shampoo less frequently. So times that you just feel like, oh, your hair is really dry, you feel that urge to shampoo, but you don't feel it's dirty enough to shampoo, you can just do a co-wash at that time. And then a conditioner wash, basically. I just use my Aussie Moist that I said makes my hair really moisturized, and then you're good. Then maybe a week or two later you can shampoo. So basically you shampoo once or twice a month.
We talked about so many things, about how to maintain our hair and take good care of it, and how to moisturize it and make it not break, and it was really great. We had a lot of fun.